I would like to ask the control team connect us to Hujjatul Islam wal Muslimin, Sheikh Mustapha اديب, the Imam Hussein TV4 manager in Lucknow, India. I don't know if the connection is established or not, but if the connection is established, I would like to say salam to Sheikh Mustapha اديب. Is our connection established? ارتباط ما برقراره. Okay, so can I have the connection? Yeah. Sheikhna, Sheikh Mustapha اديب, hello, and I would like to send you my congratulations for the birthday anniversary of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Thank you so much. Thanks for here. My brother Sayyid Javid Radavi is also sitting next to me in the studio, and he also would like to say salam to you, but not in English, actually, in Urdu. So please.
السلام علیکم. کیسے ہیں جناب علی؟ خداوند متعال آپ کو صحت دے، تندرستی دے. کربلا مقدسہ سے امام حسین علیہ السلام کی آمد اور مولا عباس علیہ السلام کی آمد کی بہت بہت آپ کو مبارک ہو.
آپ کو بھی بہت بہت مبارک ہو.
MashaAllah. Sheikhuna, actually I'm so happy for having this connection with you, because you know it's a far distance between Karbala and India, especially Lucknow that you are in. I would like you to actually give us a brief of all the activities that you are doing there in India in the name of Imam Hussein TV channel, and how is the environment there with you, please?
Well, alhamdulillah, with the grace of Almighty and with the blessings of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wassalam, we have the opportunity here in Lucknow to get involved in this field and work for Imam Hussein alayhi salatu wassalam, and to just open a window for the peoples of Urdu language, speaking Urdu language on the globe, to get a window for Karbala, in Karbala, through the studio in Karbala. And we also are doing recording programs in Urdu in India, basically in cities of Lucknow, for Delhi, Mumbai and other cities. And we get these programs assembled here, and we do it editing here, and then we send it to Karbala, or we broadcast it from here for the viewers in Urdu, for Channel 4 of Imam Hussein Media Group.
MashaAllah, as you are in I'm sorry, actually this is a question that always is just, you know, making me thinking about it, that as you are in India right now, and there are lots of Shia Muslims in India, in Pakistan, those who speak Urdu, I'm really eager to know that how is their feedback with the Imam Hussein TV channel, and how they get connected, how they feel with Imam Hussein TV channel and the shows that are broadcasted in Urdu language.
Well, we would like to say that approximately 2 years and 9 months we are working on this channel, because we started the channel on 4th of August 2017. So it will be 2 months and approximately 2 years and approximately 9 months that we have started the channel. And we are alhamdulillah doing a lot of work on
MashaAllah.
Although we would say that every work which is done in the field of Imam Hussein and for Imam Hussein, it's very less as to the stature of Imam Hussein alayhi salatu wassalam. But alhamdulillah, people are getting connected, and we are now broadcasting through Amazon Fire TVs, through Matic TVs, through Roku TV and Apple TV as well. And we are trying to get our Imam Hussein channel 4 on cable networks in India.
Inshallah, that would be good effort.
And inshallah, with the grace of Allah and with the help of the lovers and followers of Imam Hussein alayhi salatu wasalam, we will be doing it very soon, inshallah. As you know, there is a shutdown in India and as well as in Pakistan due to this coronavirus. So we are a little slow on this field, but inshallah, after this thing is over and with the grace of Imam Hussein, we will be adding up the people and adding up the spectators and as well as the viewers on cable network and all. The main thing that the 3 programs that we are planning that we had planned in Karbala studio with the name of Ye Karbala Hai, that means this is Karbala, and which was only magnified with to get in touch with the pilgrims who visit Imam Hussain alayhi salatu wassalam. And Mr. Javed, who is sitting next to you, he's the host of that program, and he invites the people from all over the globe to get in contact with him through their voice messages, their messages, and say their salam to Imam Hussain alayhi salatu wassalam, and also invite the Zayars who visit, the pilgrims who visit the Karbala, into the studio and get their views and their thoughts and their heart beatings into the program and to all the viewers, so that we get connected, because the main idea is to connect the peoples all over the globe with Imam Hussain in Karbala through this internet facility and through this network facility that we have in this era.
Yeah, actually, you just mentioned the coronavirus, actually, because of this special situation which is dominating all around the world. People are isolated. They are not able to get connected. They are not able to be together. They are not able to be next to each other. But the hearts are not isolated. Alhamdulillah, Imam Hussain TV channel, by all its 5 languages, is trying hard to give the best, information, to give the best services to whole lovers of Ahlul Bayt. And there's a very great idea that right now, even those who had no idea about Ahlul Bayt, they are going to get towards Ahlul Bayt, and they have understood that the only path through which they can find the greatness, they can find the best things, and to get rid of this kind of disasters is only Ahlul Bayt and the path which leads to Ahlul Bayt. I would like to thank you a lot for your effort, and may Almighty have His mercy. May Almighty has His mercy on you and your team, and I'm so happy for having you in this show tonight, actually.
I would also like to thank you, and may Allah Almighty accept these from us and from you and from all the workers in Imam Hussain Media Group. And may Allah grant us more and more opportunities to serve Imam Hussain and Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wassalam.
Thank you so much. Actually, indeed, it says that in al-Hussein misbah al-huda wa safinat al-najat. Imam Hussain is light of guidance and ship of getting people to the destination of safety and greatness. Thank you so much for being with us, and have a great night. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And actually, once again, with you, respected brothers and sisters, alhamdulillah, that we are here in Karbala. As I told you before, we are here, your representative, to be next to Holy Shan of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and we're not going to forget you. We will spend our time performing ziyarah on your behalf, inshallah. Actually, brother Sayyid Javed Radavi is here, and I would like to ask you, brother Sayyid Javed, how do you feel being here in Karbala in this moment?
کربلا مقدسہ میں موجود ہونا انسان کے لیے ایک شرف ہے، ایک وقار ہے، ایک عطا ہے اللہ تبارک و تعالیٰ کی، کیونکہ کربلا مقدسہ میں جو بھی آیا یقیناً یہاں پہ ہمارا عقیدہ ہے کہ یہاں پہ نہ صحت لے کر آتی ہے، نہ مال لے کر آتا ہے، نہ یہاں پر کوئی سواری لے کر آتی ہے، یہاں پہ ان کا اذن لے کر آتا ہے۔ اہل بیت علیہ السلام جسے اذن دیتے ہیں وہ یہاں پر آتا ہے، اور یہ ان کی ذرہ نوازی ہے، ذرہ نوازی ہے، ذرہ نوازی ہے ان کی، کہ انہوں نے ہم جیسوں کو، اگر کوئی مجھ سے پوچھے امام حسین علیہ السلام کا معجزہ کیا ہے، میری نگاہ کے اندر معجزے اور بھی ہوں گے، میری زندگی کے اندر میرے جیسا شخص یہاں پہ موجود ہے، یہ میرے لیے معجزہ ہے۔ وہ بزرگوار ہیں، انہوں نے ہمیں یہاں پہ رہنے کی سعادت نصیب فرمائی ہے، یہ ان کا معجزہ ہے، اور یقیناً آپ لوگوں کے لیے بھی ہم دعا گو ہیں کہ آپ آئیں، اس احساس کو خود حس کریں کہ 3 شعبان کربلا مقدسہ کے اندر کیا لطف، کیا کیفیت، کیا احساس رکھتی ہے کہ مالک جنت کے پاس جنت میں بیٹھ کے جنت کا ذکر کیا جائے۔
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I got understood exactly somehow what brother said, Javed Radavi said. This is a miracle. Being here next to Holy Shan of Imam Hussain alayhi salam and being a lover of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, it itself is a miracle. Out of all those people who wish to be here, alhamdulillah, being here at service of Imam Hussein alayhi salam, and at your service. It's a great miracle, and we promise not to use this opportunity only for ourselves. We are your representative, inshallah. Whenever we go to the holy shrine of Imam Hussein alayhi salam and perform ziyarah, brother Sayyid Javed Radawi, me, and the other brothers who speak Farsi, or those who speak in Arabic, or those who speak Turkish, in 5 different channels of Imam Hussein TV channel, they are all your representative, and inshallah they perform ziyarah on your behalf. I would like to take a short break, and then inshallah we are going to have another guest next to me in this studio. Thank you so much, brother Sayyid.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, सलामत रहिए. Thank you so very much.
Yeah.